Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection, or Jeep show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Jacksonville Icemen Boots on the Ground Jeep show in association with the Jacksonville Icemen Military Appreciation Weekend Games. This is just something the Jacksonville Icemen do every time they have Military Appreciation Weekend during the show season. They have the Boots on the Ground organization bring out the Jeeps and park them in front of the arena and show off before the game. There's always a lot of unique Jeeps out there if you're into that sort of thing. I'm into all kind of cars, so, it's always interesting to me to see what shows up. But there are some unique ones that showed up, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, make sure you drop us a like, subscribe, comment, share it around. Do all the YouTube things that make YouTube channels grow. This is going to be the Walkabout cam, where we take a cell phone, selfie stick, and just go around and look at the Jeeps. We do some 360s of some of the Jeeps, that was hard because they were so close together. But we got it done for you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to them Jeeps. Let's rev it up for the Jeep show. Oh, yeah.
Excuse me.
Did you get your free item? No. What free item? They're over at the booth. Since you bought your tickets through their link, you get a free. Pay to park, you get a free item. They have keychains, got all kinds of stuff. It's a kitty skeleton too.
And I see a Hello Kitty duck.
Oh, they got Hello Kitty ducks. They got tons of Hello Kitty ducks.
Yeah. Even I see a cowboy duck.
Yeah. I know. Oh, yeah, you got that.
They got ducks hanging up in there.
Well, that's, they got,
Oh, to the right.
oh, the duck thing. Yeah, it just wasn't up straight.
Anyway, on the console on both sides, right.
I thought by
Yeah.
off a picture road. That's what I just do. That. So I'm just going to turn the fuel around, roll the battery down, and give you a one card. Left-handed throttle, right-handed spark advance. We've got a kickstart, and you've got.
So now I've taken drops with the swans out of my tub. But I haven't put the drop shaft back in. But I'll just pull the drive on a hard truck. That's real bad. Yeah, I mean, it took the chunks out of my pipe. Yeah. But I was trying to turn. Yeah, it was bad. I'm surprised I didn't snap something. I was kind of.
I ate a couple of Jacksonville.
They'll be there next weekend too.
Getting set up for a parade, and it was in low range, and
It's got the speedometer though. The speedometer only has 17 on the speedometer. The speedometer. It's a new build. Yeah, another car show down there. So they'll be there. This one here, it's all. I try to bring all the car shows. I've seen you a few times. We're out there.
Yeah, I'm out there filming and taking pictures.
Good. Good.
I got a feeling that actually it's Saturday. I think that's because I want to see it.
Hey. Nope. No need to. It's
Everything okay?
nope. Oh, there's about 100 Jeeps parked in front of us, right on the street, and about 5 feet from our vehicle, they just took the whole street and didn't communicate with me. Yeah, I didn't know. And I talked to one guy, and he started yelling and screaming at me. And I was like, fine. So I called the Icemen and talked to them.
You can get 5 for 20.
I'm trying to get a picture of all of them. Sorry, Mike. That's okay.
Put that back around.
Anything, literally anything. They feel like they're being bigger.
What's up, Doc? You don't recognize me?
Nah.
From the elevator last night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something to eat? It's a
I don't reckon.
Oh my God. That is gorgeous. All right, I'll let y'all sit down. I'll get you some pictures. Oh, he's intelligent.
You all right, though?
Yeah.
You didn't recognize me outside of you.
No, I didn't, to be honest. All right, everybody, that's going to wrap it up from this year's Boots on the Ground Jeep Show at the Jacksonville Icemen Military Appreciation Sunday game. It's always a great event. There's always a lot of unique Jeeps that come out. We enjoy it thoroughly. It's actually a bonus for us because we're already there for the game, and we get to take in a car show at the same time. Jeep show, sorry. So it's just kind of a win-win situation for us, even when the team doesn't win. We're already going to be there for the hockey games. We just go a little early and check out the Jeeps and get some channel content. So, we really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. We try to get out to as many different events as we can. This is one of the ones that's on our schedule every year because it's part of the Icemen organization, and we're season ticket holders for the Icemen team, and It's just, win-win. We're there already. We might as well do the Jeep show. We just take our cameras along and film it. Anyway, we really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. If you're really not into Jeeps, why? Yeah, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. But anyway, that's going to be all for this video. That wraps up our weekend. We had a busy one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll be out at the car shows next weekend, whatever they may be, wherever they may be. We're going to be all over the place. I hope you guys catch us somewhere out there at the car show. If you do, say hi. Oh, we're out of time.